Hello guys, a very good morning to all of you. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I didn't interact with you at all. Sorry for that. Actually, I was stuck in my personal work and also health issues were there. So I will be regular from today. Don't worry, and we will concern your query from today. So without wasting a lot of time, let's start the video. In this video, I am going to share you all the details of Bhagalpur College of Engineering, like what are the various fee structure of admissions, registration, hostel fee, mess fee, and what about the ragging issue and sports activity. So let's start the video. Here you can see the logo. Here you are. So first of all, uh, when काउंसलिंग जब काउंसलिंग आप लोगों की हो जाएगी उसके बाद आप लोग की एडमिशन होगी तो बेसिकली हाउ मच यू हैव टू पे यू कैन हैव अ लुक हियर you have to pay. Here is a copy of a student copy of admission fee slip. You can see 2510 rupees. As you can see here, you have to pay 2510 rupees. So it was the fee structure of admission. So let's move to the next fee. Next is hostel charge or maintenance fee. So let me tell you one thing that you all will glad to hear that 25,000 discount is given to lateral entry students since 2019 batch. Earlier, student have to pay 25,000 plus this fee before 2019, but since 2019 you have to pay only 2510 rupees. You don't have to pay this amount. So it's very good news to all for all of you. So let's move to the next fee, that is hostel charge or maintenance fee. Basically it's your lodge fee. So how much you have to pay? You have to pay 7500 for 7500 for 1 year. You have to pay 7500, that is approx 650 rupees per month. You it's it's really cheap. So next now here you are. It's the fee structure of maize fee. Basically it matters a lot for all of the student who take the hostel. They have to pay much amount, that is 25,000. It really matters, man. So you have to pay 25,000. So if you really want to take hostel, you need to arrange money. You can sum up all these fee, and you have to keep these monies so that you don't have to face any problem later. If you want to take loan, then listen. You will get student loan after I think 2 to 3 months. When you take admission, you will be given a form. You can fill up that form easily, and you have to apply for that. Then various you will go through various processes, like in your district you have to verify that, and then you will get the loan. So 25,000 you have to pay for mess fund. So next one is it's registration copy, sorry, registration slip. Yes, so it's your registration slip. Listen, last time admission and registration both were taken simultaneously. Got it? So I don't think this year it will be the same thing will occur, but I hope you, if you can arrange, then it's much better. So basically how much you have to pay for registration? 2100. Got it? So 2100 you have to. So how much money you all have to pay? Listen, you have to pay 2500 for admission, and for my hostel maintenance fee you have to pay 7500. For mess fee you have to pay 25,000. At least This amount is mandatory if you really want to take hostel. So how much you have to pay? I hope you have to pay 35,000. So if you want to take hostel at admission, and don't worry, I hope, I think all of the student can get hostel. It's really a big question for all of the students, that will I get hostel or not. So in this video I will I'm going to say you that most of the students gets hostel. I hope, I think 20 to 25 seats are vacant in each college for approx 20 to 25 seats are there for 2 to 3 branches. Most of the girls can get hostel, and mostly all of the boys get hostel. In Bhagalpur College of Engineering, all of the boys get hostel. Some students, due to economic issue, they don't want to take hostel. When they get loan issued by the government, then they take hostel in next year. And you let me show let me say you one thing, that in hostel, two students live in a single room. You will not get a single room. So two student lives together in a single room. In third year, if you score better, then in third year you can get your personal single room. Or I think in final year all of the student get single room. So these were the basic query of most of the student. So I cleared all these query. So next one is, what are the ragging issue. So listen, ragging issue is at its peak. Got it? So uh, uh, some nav student take hostel and get scared from screaming of seniors. Got it? So seniors are there, and so you don't need to worry at all. Literally, I am speaking, ragging is not a rocket science, but only if you are aware of the way to tackle it. If you know how to tackle these ragging issues, then you can easily tackle it. So, ragging is at peak in almost all colleges. In diploma, generally, you all would see fighting between mechanical and civil, electrical and computer science, or computer science, like this you all would see fighting. But in this college the bases are absolutely out and out changed. uh, Here you will see several files. So let me show you, let me clear it. You all will see several files, and students are involving in this heavily. They take part. Student, why do most of the students take part? Because their mind is completely washed by their senior. And now let me tell you the name of this file. These are F file, B file, M file, Y file, and many others. So what does this symbol stands for? F stands for forward, B stands for Bania, M stands for Muslim, K stands for Y stands for Yadav. These files are there. So once you take hostel, you have three ways only. Listen, you have only three ways. Number one, take part in each meeting of your file, whichever you belong to, and be active. You take part and be active. Most of the students do like this. Second number is, don't take part at all. Directly refuse to join this casteism group, because you all students will be divided on the basis of your caste. That you are a Yadav, you are either Brahmin, or you are Muslim. On these basis, you all would be divided. Even you can't talk with your friend who is Muslim. The senior will say you that don't talk to those guys who really do not belongs to your file. That is group. Your group is called file. Got it? And third step is join, but don't be active. Always seek for some reason to let you leave soon. Listen, casteism is the type of apple of discord for these guys. You all will be divided on, so you all are लेटरल एंट्री गाइस. आप सभी जितने के जितने हैं सारे के सारे लेटरल एंट्री के कैंडिडेट हैं. तो आप लोग को यू ऑल हैव टू लाइव इन यूनिटी. एक यू ऑल हैव टू लाइव इन अ सिंगल रूफ. एक ही छत के नीचे आप लोग को रहना है. जितने भी स्टूडेंट हैं सारे के सारे को एक ही माने इस टाइप का मैं आपको दिखा दूंगा रहेगा रूम. तो वो रूम के अंदर सारे के सारे कैंडिडेट का रूम साथ ही रहता है लेटरल एंट्री का, ऑलमोस्ट ऑल ऑफ द स्टूडेंट के लिए. तो आप लोग को एक साथ रहना है, कोई कास्टिज्म में कोई बटेगा नहीं. अगर आप बढ़ते हैं तो ये आपकी मर्जी है, लेकिन मेरे हिसाब से जैसा कि बचपन से ही आप लोग को बताया जाता है कि डिस्क्रिमिनेशन बिल्कुल नहीं होना चाहिए, इक्वलिटी रहना चाहिए हर हमेशा. सो बी इक्वल ऑलवेज. एंड एनी हाउ आप लोग को फूट डालने की कोशिश की जाएगी. अगर बताया जाए कि ये है वो है, ये रिजर्वेशन है वो है, वो लोग ज़्यादा ये है, शुरू से हम लोग को दबाया गया, ये किया गया, बहुत सारी बातें आती है सामने. तो आप लोग को इन सब बीच में बिल्कुल नहीं पड़ना है, नॉट एट ऑल. सो यू विल हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल and face this. Take it easy man. These are not a big problem. So you all can tackle it. आप लोग अच्छी से बढ़िया से टैकल कर सकते हैं इस चीज़ को. अगर नहीं, अगर आप लोग को लग रहा है कि नहीं मेरी पढ़ाई आप लोग की बिल्कुल ही डिस्टर्ब होगी, इसमें कोई संदेह नहीं है, नो डाउट. आप लोग की पढ़ाई बिल्कुल डिस्टर्ब होगी. तो पढ़ाई डिस्टर्ब होगी तो उससे अगर बचना है, आप लोग दिन में स्टडी कर सकते हैं, रात में भी स्टडी कर सकते हैं. कुछ टाइम आप लोग को परेशान किया जाएगा. तो आप लोग अगर बाहर जो भी कोई कैंडिडेट रहना चाहेंगे वो बाहर भी रह सकते हैं. तो अगर आप बाहर रहेंगे तो लॉज फैसिलिटीज़ आर अवेलेबल देयर. नियर बाय बहुत सारे लॉजेज हैं जहाँ पे आपको रूम मिल ही जाएगी अगर आप एक दिन स्टे करके घूम लेते हैं तो. और स्टार्टिंग में ही व्हेन यू टेक एडमिशन you will see several guys helping you. Got it? You can't imagine. इवन द जहाँ से काउंसलिंग होती है वहीं से वो लोग पूरे फाइल निकाल लेते हैं कि कौन कौन सा कास्ट का है, फॉरवर्ड कौन है, यादव कौन है, कौन क्या है. और एज यू टेक एडमिशन दे ऑल जितने भी कैंडिडेट होते हैं सारे के सारे आपके पीछे पड़ जाएंगे. और पीछे पड़ने के बाद आपको हेल्प करेंगे. आप लोग को यू विल फील लाइक दीज आर माई फ्रेंड्स, दे विल कम वेरी क्लोज टू यू. सो दैट कि आप भी उनके साथ बढ़िया से इंटरेक्ट करें और दोस्त बन जाए. और कुछ दिन में आप लोग को यू ऑल विल गेट टू नो आफ्टर सम डेज दैट एक्चुअली आई एम डिवाइडेड इन दिस ग्रुप एंड दे विल ज्वाइन you on the whatsapps. So these are the problems. So I have stated here. तो आप लोग को कोई डरने वाली बात नहीं है. ऐसा कुछ अगर कोई इश्यू होता है तो आप लोग बता सकते हैं, तो इजी से आप लोग टैकल कर सकते हैं. तो जो कुछ रैगिंग वैगिंग थोड़ा बहुत तो होता ही है. अगर आप सह सकते हैं तो सही है, नहीं तो अगर आप बाहर रहना चाहते हो तो बाहर भी रह सकते हैं. सो basically these all things I have stated is based on experience of a student. So take it, concern it, and I hope you all will take decision by thinking a lot, considering your future. So bye bye, take care, see you soon.